Hello everyone, my name is Mark, speaking for Online Profit Secrets. Because of our recent worldwide pandemic, times have changed. New and challenging economic times are upon us. The way we think about earning sustainable income must also drastically change, not only now, but into the future. And these challenges are not going away anytime soon. It's time not only to explore, but enact new ways to ensure sustainable income. Businesses and workplaces will not simply reopen their doors and operate as usual. Good-paying jobs will not be as plentiful as before. If you are ready to take charge of your income, you can begin right now and right from your home. You don't have to wait. Today, you'll witness the lucrative strategies to change your financial situation without having to rely on the man. Who wants to spend 80% of their day working for someone else's benefit? Because this pandemic has created unprecedented urgency, I am offering to share the secrets of how you can get started for free. That's right, you have probably never heard how making money online really works, and how that can be accomplished without spending one penny of your own money. And you can easily operate this new and lucrative endeavor without any prior experience or training. First, I am not promoting any useless get-rich-quick scheme or a program for $47 or $97. If you didn't know already, these types of programs don't work. They are useless and incomplete. That is all a hook to get your money. Second, you don't need any special skills, such as being computer savvy or running expensive ad campaigns for a website. This is going to be a great day for you, because in this video, I'll explain how you can begin to earn substantial extra income every day that securely goes right into your bank account. It's not hard to do, nor does it take a lot of time. Third, when you get to the end of this life-changing video, and if it makes sense to you, you'll have an opportunity to learn firsthand exactly how to put these very same strategies to work for you without using your own money. Now, I'm no different than any of you. I worked long and hard for many years. Unfortunately, I put my hard-earned savings into buying real estate at the wrong time. When 2008 came along, I lost everything. I was left penniless, losing hundreds of thousands of dollars on properties my tenants could no longer afford. I had to sell everything just to pay off my mortgage loans, which ended up being more than the actual property values. I needed a solution quick, just to make enough money to survive. That's when I turned to the internet, just like you're doing. It's the new gold rush, the new way to make fortunes. So, how much money do you think is being spent online nowadays? Would it surprise you to learn that there are trillions? Yes, that's trillions with a T of dollars spent by consumers every year online. How would it feel to have a small piece of that pie? Well, today you're going to learn the plain truth about how making money online really works. In fact, the system I use is the legitimate way to make money. Last year alone, more than 350,000 who used the system I use, each generated more than $1 million in revenue. When you implement all the secrets I learned in a system that works, you'll soon find that it is the easiest and quickest way to earn big online fortunes. But you have to do it the right way. Just so you know, the money made online from the wealthiest internet entrepreneurs is all tied to only three things: services, retail products, grabbing attention. That's it, period. Now, you only make big money when you integrate all three systematically and simultaneously. You do not have to provide the services, manufacture the products, or create the attention. You only have to link to what's popular and in demand that pays you. And what you create operates on autopilot. There are only 5 steps you have to take: research, link, post and review, automate, rinse and repeat the process. First, research what is popular and in demand online. Find the services, products, and information that people are submitting online. You'll need to implement the 13 logistics we tell you to complete this process. Tools and resources will make this step very easy for you. In fact, you can complete the first step without investing one dime. Second, link to money-making in-demand services, products, and information. You connect hungry visitors to legitimate, quality, and profitable services, products, and information that people really want and are looking for online. Your connection to these products, services, and information provides the massive income you earn as visitors order them. How you find out which services, products and information are in demand, how you link to them, and how to ensure you make big profits are the secrets we will share. Third, post and review your links to where people visit and shop. And where is that, you ask? Well, it is certainly not anything you can create. It has to be where billions are already looking for content, services, and products. Yes, that's billions with a B. You do not need to try and create traffic. No matter how hard you try, no website you create will attract billions of visitors. Doesn't it make sense to start where billions of visitors are already viewing and shopping for the information, services, and the items you're linking to? We will tell you where to begin and how you can ensure your success even before you start. Fourth, automate and get paid. Here's the good news about this secret. You can make profits on thousands of different services, products, and attention grabbers you link to without the upfront cost, time, risk, and skill required to succeed. You don't provide the services or products you link to. You don't create the attention. When someone orders a product, service, or information you're linked to, the system confidentially and securely transfers money to your bank account. Fulfillment, delivery, and getting paid become automated. Meanwhile, you eliminate the risk and hassle of normal retail sales. Sounds great, right? Well, it is. Fifth, want to continue earning more money? Rinse and repeat the process. Rinsing refers to making sure that what you're doing is making money. Once it makes money, incorporate other streams, one after another. Your new streams will propagate success in the others you have already created. They will flow together. Each new stream advances income into your other streams, and soon you'll create a flood of income. By implementing the secrets that work in a system that was created to make money online, you can earn massive amounts of money. The secret is to utilize the system in the right way to make that happen. Now, I'm only revealing these secrets to help a limited few, so I can be sure you become successful as soon as possible in your new endeavor. Obviously, I cannot help everyone. Just imagine firing your boss, having the freedom and flexibility to do what you want, when you want, paying off your credit cards, or even becoming debt-free, buying that new car you've always had your eye on. Imagine having all the time you wish you had right now for things like hobbies, travel, and, well, anything you want. Your dreams can become reality with the secrets of this system. And trust me, if you currently deal with alarm clocks, rush hour traffic, bosses, coworkers, office politics, or the never-ending stress about money, this is going to be a breath of fresh air. So, let's review the easiest way to make money online today. You need internet service. You need established credit or have a FICO of 650 or higher to establish good credit. You don't need any special skills or prior experience to get started. You don't need to use any of your own money. You can easily do this in your spare time, 15 to 20 minutes per day. You can do this anywhere, at work, at home, at the pool, or on the beach. You implement the 5 easy steps you learn. You securely connect your bank account to the merchant account that processes the money you earn. You have a fun and rewarding experience, something you can enjoy doing 100% of the time. You can take action to start making money immediately, like today. Here's what people are saying about this amazing money-making online opportunity. Absolutely, it works. Within a few days, I was already bringing home decent-sized paychecks with minimal effort. I knew this was possible, I just didn't expect it could happen for me. This is a lifesaver for me. This is seriously the only reason I'll be able to eliminate my debt. The numbers started to double, then they tripled. I was surprised. It was actually pretty easy, and I'm surprised at how little effort it took for me to be able to do it. It completely opened my eyes, so I truly appreciate all of the support that you guys have given me to get started. Thank you so much. Keep up the great work. It's truly a blessing. Thank you. Just like I've helped these people, I can help you by giving you access to my secrets in a prized money-making system. I've helped people from all ages and walks of life, and I know for a fact that anyone can follow the secrets in this system for success because I've made these secrets cookie-cutter simple. This is also the perfect opportunity if you have no experience and have never made a dime off the internet or from a home-based business of your own. And if you are currently making money with a job you enjoy, you will certainly profit and benefit from this internet venture too. It'll be another income stream that is easy, profitable, and does not require a lot of time. I'm absolutely convinced this 100% legal and ethical way to make money from the internet will work for you too, regardless of your age, education, or even the economy for that matter. Now, I do limit the number of people I teach these secrets to because that's the only way I can make sure you get the proper guidance and support I offer to maintain the integrity of the system. They are no longer secrets if everybody knows how to do this, and I do not have the time or resources to train everybody. I'm doing this because I want only a tight-knit group of people who are aching to change their fortunes, who want to succeed right now. A small network of people who can work together and share their success. In essence, you'll be helping me as much as I'll be helping you. It'll be a win-win scenario. When I've reached the limit of who I can help and support, I'll shut access to this video down. If you're ready and determined to succeed, do it right now while there are slots available. With so much interest in this opportunity, our consultations are being snatched up quickly. That's good news for us, but I'm striving to keep our campaign at a manageable level. Sign up for a free consultation, then decide if this is right for you. You have absolutely nothing to lose doing this now. The only way you can mess this up is by not doing anything. So be smart and take action right now. You're just a call away from getting started and making money. Now, you can look for another work-from-home system, but at what cost? Years of trial and error, late nights in the computer, wasting time and money on things that don't work and hoping for a break that never comes? Why not spare yourself the pain and misery that is usually a rite of passage and get started on the proven path to online success now? Go ahead and fill out your information to schedule your consultation right now. The moment you complete the form, you'll get an email with your next steps and your private link to schedule your consultation to get started. Just to confirm, there are no payments or hidden costs for the consultation. If people keep signing up at the current rate, we may be forced to shut this down sooner than later. However, by signing up right now, you're locked in and set for your personal consultation to start making money online. Also, because the sooner I find motivated and passionate candidates to work with, the better, there is a very valuable fast action bonus if you submit your information right now. This free bonus is invaluable to gain access and setting up links immediately to start making money today. So schedule your consultation and start making your first profits right away. Do it now. Still here? I understand. Filling out the form below represents a change to you, and change can be scary. But let me remind you that you risk absolutely nothing when you do this today. There is no risk and no money to pay. You have an opportunity to get in on this right now, so make it count. Is this the moment you're going to take control of your life and financial future? Go ahead and make your choice. You can get started instantly. Fill out the form below and start making money right away today with the internet. Also, be sure to subscribe below for more free information and visit our website at onlineprofitsecrets.club. You're only a few moments away from earning the money you deserve.